In this video, we'll be going over the A/B cut or a manual cut that can be done in myCNC, namely in your plasma cutting and gas cutting profiles, so X1366P and X1366G. And the way to do it is to go to your main screen and press the A/B cut button right here. Here we have two coordinates, A and B. A is our current machine coordinates. So for example, if we move, you can see that the coordinate changes. And B is the point you set. So for example, let's say I can manually enter this by clicking on the X value here. Let's say I would like it to be 100. And maybe I would like Y to be 50. So it will remember this coordinate. Alternatively, I can move to a location I desire. So for example, let's say 140 and 101, and I can click the Set button. That way, point B will be set to match my current coordinates. Then I can move away to some other point and press the AB cut, which will perform a cut from point A to point B. We click it, we confirm, and we now have a cut going from this point A that we were at to our point B that we have set either through directly entering the values or by moving there and clicking the Set button. So that's A/B cuts or manual cuts in a nutshell. For more information, please visit docs.pv-automation.com. Thank you for watching.